Hello, so here is Past Keyboard app, which right now is a top app in the App Store. Yeah, it's crazy. It's higher than Instagram and Facebook. So this is the app. Basically, to install it on iPhone, just tap Get and confirm with a Touch ID or password, and then you can see that the size is like 73 megabytes. So yeah, and then you just need to wait until it's installed. And then you can see that the idea of this app is like super simple, that you just have this easy copy paste, easy save. So basically create some like message templates and use them on iPhone. So I guess that's the main idea of the app. Some people are writing that this is one of the best copy paste apps. Great clipboard tool, really good app. And you can see that there are like 4,000 ratings, maybe not that much, it's not like 100,000, but still the average rating is 4.6, so that's pretty impressive. And then if you just open it, and then yeah, so something like that, then you can just create and go to settings, learn how to use this keyboard. Just need to add it in the keyboard. Yeah. So something like that.